Entering today to the configuration and choosing the recorders. So we have two NVRs here. So we'll select one of them and enter the NVR. We have general, partitions, advanced, event. So we will have to choose here the advanced and get it to the system. So we have the cameras here. This is our NVR MAXPRO. So cameras, we will loading all the cameras that we have. So first things is entering the first camera and entering to the primary stream, then the schedule. We have here the recording deletion setting. So we have continuous recording and we event recording. So if we want make it 90 days, we can do it from here. We can do the other camera, so we can increase it or decrease it according to our capacity. So this is the shortest way to decrease or increase the number of days. Finally, press save. He will warn you that the recording deletion setting will be applied to all the recording as well. We can say yes, and yes for all cameras, and so on. So this is the easiest way to make this capacity or recording for 90 days or 30 days or 100. It's according to your spaces that you do it. So I will try to make all the others camera, but I will make it very fast. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.